we're going to show you the best Mexican rice recipe. You'll be using this forever.
For this dish you need a large pan, put it on a low to medium heat and add some olive oil.
Add in your choice of rice. We prefer to use basmati rice.
Next we're going to go in with our peppers. This really adds some colour to the dish. You want to cook your peppers for a few minutes until they're nice and soft.
So we add all of our seasoning before we boil the rice, because this gives time for all the seasoning to infuse to every grain. So we've added salt, pepper, cumin and chili powder and give it a good mix.
Tomatoes adds another depth of flavour to this dish, and we've gone in with both chopped tomatoes and a bit of ketchup. Give it a good mix and leave the tomatoes to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes.
To balance out the spices we added in the beginning, we added a small tin of sweet corn. For us, no Mexican dish is complete without some sort of beans. We've chosen black beans for this recipe.
It's now time to boil the rice. So as a rule of thumb, you add double the amount of water to the amount of rice that you've added. So we've added 3 cups of boiled water here.
Turn the heat down and cover and leave to cook for 15 minutes.
Once it's cooked, give it a mix to fluff up the rice and then add in some feta.
The feta here adds another depth of flavour with its creaminess and saltiness.
You can never have too much cheese, so before serving, top with extra feta and then some coriander and oregano.
This is a great centerpiece to build your Mexican fiesta around, and the best thing about it, it's all in one pot.